Kanitha-inĩ wa Gatoreki wa Consolata Shrine Nairobi, Igongona rĩa kuugĩra ũhoro ũrĩa wari minister wa gĩthomo Professor George Magoha rĩgĩtongorio nĩ mũthikabu mũnene kanitha-inĩ Gatoreki Nairobi Philip Anyolo riuma rĩa kũrathima mwĩrĩ na kũririkana ũtungata wake. Atongoria kuma ikĩro itiganĩte thirikari-inĩ magĩtongorio nĩ minister wa gĩthomo Ezekiel Machogu, wa ũkinyanĩria Eliud Owalo, minister wa tene wa mĩgũnda Farida Karonei, Rafael Tuju gatagatĩ-inĩ ga atongoria angĩ na ateti makathĩrĩirie Magoha ta mũndũ ũrarĩ na ũnyitanĩri na arĩa ararutithanagia wĩra nao.
He has been my advisor and indeed he has been my very true friend. Each and everything that we have been able to do in a ministry, I've been very closely consulting with him.
I empathize with the many children in this country whom Professor touched their lives during his stint as the CS for education.
As former colleagues, Professor served with us and led by doing. What we learned from Professor is that if you have chosen public life, then you had better be ready to serve with honor and integrity.
Arĩa manarutithania wĩra na Magoha na njĩra ĩmwe kana ĩrĩa ĩngĩ rũhonge-inĩ rwa mathomo mamukathĩrĩirie ta mũndũ atangĩreroreire ũndũ ũkĩthiĩ ũru, amu ararĩ mũtongoria wĩkũranĩire kuma mĩario-inĩ nginya ciĩko-inĩ ciake.
We who worked with Professor Magoha were always aware of how important his presence and his contribution was to the well-being of society.
Professor Magoha would approach any task that he set out to do. His work ethics was driven by one singular goal: to deliver nothing but the best.
His assigned responsibilities to be done were to be done the way he would have wanted to do it himself.
Thengia na kũgacĩra mawĩra-inĩ matiganĩte kũrĩa Magoha aretaga mũciĩ, ararĩ mũndũ wa kũnyitanĩra na bamĩrĩ. Mũtumia wake akiuga atĩ gũtirĩ hĩndĩ angĩratuire itua ataranĩirie na bamĩrĩ yake.
He was available. It didn't matter if he was a surgeon, if he was a cabinet secretary, and that's because he believed in family, and it was always the same.
And I think it must have been one of the most stressful things for my son when he had the third attack, knowing the implications of having a third attack. And when he finally had the fourth one, he passed, and all this happened within 2 hours. Just like a surgeon operates, finish, it's over.
Aingĩ nĩ arĩa mugĩte mũtũrĩre wa Magoha ũgũtũra gĩcicio ngoro-inĩ ciao. Rĩrĩ mĩbango ya mathiko ĩrathiĩ na mbere mwena wa Gem kaunti-inĩ ya Siaya, kũrĩa Magoha akathikwo mũthenya wa Jumamothi. Ngĩribotera Inoro TV, Njĩtagwo Masi, Wadia wa Mũrĩithi.